In the previous lecture, we learned that light is an electromagnetic wave which travels with the speed of light in vacuum. Apart from vacuum and gases, light can travel through some liquids and solids. In the previous lecture, we learned that medium in which light travels can be classified as non-material medium and material medium. Non-material medium is also termed as vacuum or free space. Any medium other than vacuum is a material medium. In vacuum, the speed of light is equal to c, where c equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in any other material medium, the speed of light is less than c. Material medium is classified as transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. What is a transparent medium? A medium in which light can travel freely over large distance. An example of transparent mediums are air, water, glass, etc. What is a translucent medium? It is a material medium in which light can travel some distance, but its intensity reduces rapidly. Examples is oil. What is an opaque medium? A medium in which light cannot travel. Examples are wood, metal, stone, etc. So light cannot travel through all the three kind of material medium. Light can only travel through transparent medium and it can travel through a translucent medium. A light cannot travel through a opaque medium. Light travels at different speed in different material medium. Any medium is characterized by a property called its refractive index. We also say it absolute or standard refractive index of the medium. The symbol that we use for refractive index is either mu or small n. Now we are going to see how the refractive index of a medium is defined. Let us suppose this medium is a vacuum and this is any other material medium. We know that light travels in vacuum with the speed of light, while in any other material medium light travels with a speed less than c. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in a medium is called refractive index of the medium. So refractive index of this medium, that is n or mu, is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in the medium. Now let us see the refractive index of certain medium. For air, the value of refractive index is 1.003. We take this value equal to 1. For water, the value is 4 by 3, which is equal to 1.33. For ground glass, the value is 1.52. For flint glass, its value is 1.62, and for diamond, the value of refractive index is 2.42. What is the refractive index of vacuum? For vacuum, what is V? V will be replaced by C. So C cancelled out, which is equal to 1. So refractive index of vacuum is equal to 1. Since in any material medium V is less than C, and if this medium is vacuum, then this V is equal to C. Therefore, this ratio will be always greater than 1, and if it is vacuum, then it will be equal to 1. Therefore, the value of refractive index of a medium can be always greater than equal to 1. Equality sign holds for vacuum. Now let us see a numerical. A ray of light enters a diamond from air. If the refractive index of diamond is 2.42, by what percent does the speed of light reduce on entering the diamond? As we know that refractive index is equal to speed of light divided by speed of light in the given medium. So from here, V is equal to C by N, and the value of refractive index of diamond is given as 2.42. If we will simplify this, it will come out 0.41 C. It means that the speed of light in diamond is therefore 41% of its speed in air. In other words, in diamond, the speed of light is reduced by 59%. Now let us suppose we have two medium. This is medium 1 and this is medium 2. Let us suppose the speed of light in medium 1 is V1 and that of in medium 2 is V2. Refractive index of medium 1 will be equal to C by V1 and refractive index of medium 2 will be equal to C by V2. If N1 is greater than N2, that is refractive index of medium 1 is greater than the refractive index of medium 2, it means that C by V1 will be greater than C by V2. C get cancelled out, or 1 by V1 is greater than 1 by V2, or V1 will be less than V2. So what we learn? More refractive index of a medium means the speed of light in that medium will be less. Now write a note. Refractive index is a measure of optical density of a medium. Optical density is a term completely different from mass density. If refractive index of medium 1 is greater than the refractive index of medium 2, then we will say that optical density of medium 1 is more than the optical density of medium 2, or we will say that medium 1 is a denser medium and medium 2 is a rarer medium. Now we are going to define refractive index of one medium with respect to the other medium. So let us suppose refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2, it is equal to refractive index of medium 1 divided by the refractive index of medium 2. And if we will substitute the values here, C by V1 divided by C by V2, then it will come out V2 by V1. And similarly, if we will define refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, then it is equal to refractive index of medium 2 divided by refractive index of medium 1. And put the value of N2, which is equal to C by V2 divided by C by V1. This value is equal to V1 by V2. If we compare the equation 1 and equation 2, then we can easily see that N12 is equal to 1 by N21.